Your body shop is a bustling operation, with cars coming in and out each day. But is it operating as efficiently as it could be? Do you have access to transparent and up-to-date repair information? Is it easy for you to generate business reports to achieve higher performance? BASF's Workflow Manager provides a tailored solution to address these concerns. It's a cloud-based scheduling system that enhances workshop transparency and streamlines repair workflows. Accessible on any internet-connected device, it allows you to customize repair processes, operational organization, and even tailor each technician's skill set to suit your requirements. Jobs can be easily created, and technicians can update job statuses by uploading pictures. The software provides instant feedback on repair time estimation, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. The SA and delivery boards empower service advisors to monitor job statuses. They enable tracking of upcoming deliveries and provide valuable insights into job progress, allowing service advisors to deliver the best possible service to customers. Workflow Manager generates performance reports to keep your business on track. Provide quick access to key indicators like monthly sales, repair orders, repair time, and on-time delivery rates through the Shop Report dashboard. And for multi-shop operators, a centralized KPI dashboard that allows you to view all the key indicators of business performance for your network of shops. All the information that matters to you is reflected in the Business Analysis dashboard. Experience the benefits of Workflow Manager now. Enjoy secure and efficient cloud-based solutions, providing real-time information without the need for data backups or syncing. Take control of repair jobs, schedules, and deliveries with a user-friendly dashboard, all in one convenient channel. Reduce management costs with direct access to business and operational reports for single or multiple shops. Boost business performance by optimizing workflows, eliminating bottlenecks, and maximizing labor utilization. Enhance customer satisfaction through reduced repair time, improved process quality control, and faster communication. Elevate your body shop's branding with our advanced digital management solutions, emphasizing professionalism and transparency. Contact your BASF sales representative or BASF distributor today, propelling your business to new heights.